Egoli Gas was in a fortunate position to provide a piped natural gas solution to Checkers Rosebank for their state-of-the-art pizza oven. The oven is the first of its kind for the Checkers Group and was chosen for its superior capabilities. The oven technology embraces gas supply to deliver instantaneous heat, extremely low emissions, and controlled even heat distribution while maintaining the fiery taste of a wood-burning oven. Conventional wood-burning ovens need a fair amount of time to start up and to get to operational temperature versus gas ovens where startup times are reduced considerably and cleaning aspect is improved drastically as there is no ash to clean. We applaud the group for initiating innovative gas solutions and taking the first step to a greener future. If you're interested in a piped natural gas solution for any application, give us a call or visit our website.